Hello, grade 11s. In this video, we're going to be exploring power of a power, continuing with exponents. So this one here, power of a power, it tells you that if inside a bracket you have a raised to the power of m, all raised to the power of n, tells you that this n here will multiply the what? The m, the exponents will multiply. Therefore, you keep the base as it is, and then you multiply the what? The exponents. As I had said on the first video, I said that this bracket, we're going to take it as a multiplication because remember brackets, they represent multiplication. So we still go with that to say now it is in between the two exponents. That means the exponents will do what? Will multiply each other. So with this one, we're just going to keep the x and then we're going to say 2 multiply 3, which is going to be equals to what? 2x to the power of 6. This can also be simplified because if you can remember, an exponent is a number that multiplies itself a certain number of times. Here they are telling us that x squared is multiplying itself 3 times. So it could be x to the power of 2 multiplied x to the power of 2 multiplied x to the power of 2. Same basis, you can use the product rule to say x 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is going to be x to the power of what? Of 6. This is a long root, so power of a power simplifies such things because it takes you a bit of some time than actually using the law, the simplified law. And in this one, we keep the y and then we say 4 multiplied. If it's a polynomial, you're going to be saying, you're going to be putting it inside a bracket whenever you're going to be multiplying here, which means that you'll have to apply the distribution property, which tells you that what is outside must multiply everything that is inside the what? The bracket, which is going to be y to the power of 4 multiplied x, which is 4x. 4 multiplied -1, which is going to be what? -4. Then on the third one, we're going to be looking at just values, which is going to be 5. 3 multiply what? Multiply 2. And in this case, you're going to be having 5 to the power of 6. 5 to the power of 6, it's going to be equals to 15,625. So this will be your answer. If it is numbers, you can use your calculator to simplify. But if you have values as x and maybe x as your basis, therefore you cannot simplify further with your calculator. So you just leave it as it is. With numbers, you can further simplify it into a full answer. So that is the basic concept of power of a power. Most of the time, they like to mix it with the power of a product, which will be next lesson from this one.